Scientists at Caltech in Pasadena are inundated. The quake off northern Japan is providing a goldmine of information. More, says seismology professor Thomas Heaton, than any other earthquake in history.
The Japanese have a tremendous array of sensors in Japan, many more sensors than are in any other part of the world. So this will be by far the best instrumented earthquake ever.
Those sensors, combined with seismic stations in the United States, have already allowed Caltech researchers to create a model showing that 100 seconds into the quake, the fault rupture split in two different directions. It also shows that parts of Japan moved 4 metres to the east during the quake. Combining all that data, says Heaton, will help city officials in other vulnerable areas prepare for the next big one.
We've seen magnitude 9 earthquakes in our past, but we've never been able to actually record what the ground shaking is like in an event like that, and then try to figure out what it would do to tall buildings.
Los Angeles and the entire west coast of the United States are seen as vulnerable. Like Japan and New Zealand, it lies along the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, where several tectonic plates grind against one another to produce 80% of the world's largest earthquakes. The last significant quake in California took place in 1994 at North Ridge, killing more than 30 people and causing $20 billion in damage.
In the United States, we recognize that an even larger earthquake will strike our Pacific Northwest along the coast of Washington and Oregon. And we've been very much in the dark trying to understand what that event will be like for our modern cities. Now we see a very large earthquake next to a Japanese modern city, so it's a very important information for us in the United States.
Thomas Heaton believes the data scientists are seeing from Japan will help architects design more quake-resistant structures. It'll also contribute to a more sophisticated earthquake monitoring system, designed to provide the earliest possible warning of the next big quake. Rob Muir, Reuters.